So the overnight lows here in Oregon have been they've been about 0 degrees, and so we're gonna go check on the cows and see how they're doing. I decided to build them a little Heifer Motel to deal with the bad weather, and yeah, we're gonna go see how they're doing. We're gonna check them out. All right. Woo! Beautiful day in Central Oregon today. Oh yeah. There's a Heifer Motel. It's got some awesome views. Only the best for my ladies here to keep them warm in the 0 degree weather. Oh yeah, there they are. We got a propane heater there, and we got another heater over here, and they just kind of bed in here and stay warm. I think it's worked out pretty well. Let's go see how they're doing. What's up, ladies? Finally got some sunshine. How we doing today? This is Cupcake. What's up, Cupcake? She's super friendly, super nice. Hi. This is the Baby Bull Project. He's getting some horns on him. He's pretty friendly. He's still figuring it out. This over here, Sniper. He's the only steer. He just kind of got lucky. We were gonna eat him, but then we figured he was too cute, so he just kind of likes to hang out with ladies. All right, who we got over here? That is, let me think about this. Oh yeah, that's Stella. She's the runt. She's pretty cute, but she's a little slow. This one here is my little pride and joy. Hi. She's super sweet. This is little Justice, and she is 7 months old. Doing super awesome, very friendly, likes to eat a lot. This is Diesel. She's pregnant. She's a heifer. We got her this year. She's a little shy, but she's kind of a funny girl. You can tell she's pretty fat. She's doing pretty good. Yeah, this is Legit. She is her mom, and she is a super mom. She's my super cow. She's pregnant again, and she just does everything right. She eats well, takes care of her girl. Very good cow. Hi, and this is Sensation. She's my little girl. She's a first-year heifer, and actually she's how old is she? She's not even a year. I think she's like 7 months old. She's actually really friendly, really smart. We got her at the same time as Stella, the runt over there, and she's a sweetheart. This is my problem child here. This big girl here, Sugar Baby. Sugar Baby is a bull calf's mom, and she's a pain in the ass. She kind of has a mind of her own and likes to jump fences and shit, but she's good looking. Couldn't get her pregnant this year because she decided to not cooperate. So yeah, anyways, yeah, that's all of them. We got 9 of them. They're all my sweethearts, except for that one. She's a pain in the ass. This one is my sweetheart. Hi, baby. Yeah, she's the sweetest. She's the sweetest calf ever. Right here. Hi. What are you doing? It's been pretty cold, huh? You're doing good, though. Okay. Well, let's go figure out what's going on with the water. What's up, Sniper? All right. Well, Stella's getting a little bigger. What's up, Cupcake? Hi. Hi, yeah. All right. Yeah, this is the Heifer Motel here. High class. We got a propane heater here. burning some gas and turn this guy off. Okay, yep. Yeah, that's that. Oh yeah. Very nice. Only the finest materials in this building. Got a heater over there, and they just kind of bed in and stay warm. So my problem is, that's my only winter water over there, right there. And I got the girls on this side and the boys on that side, because the baby bulls, we don't want them to get too fresh with the ladies. So I got to move water over here from over there, which is kind of a pain in the ass. But it's not like I'm going to start digging the ground here in the winter. So this is what I got to do every day. And if you look closely, yeah, it gets pretty frozen. And it's a pain in the ass. But hey, Cupcake, don't do that. Don't do that. Thank you. Okay, so here we go. So here's the heated water trough. I really got to clean it, but it's been so goddamn cold lately. I just can't get motivated. So this is the awesome process. We take my highly modified container here, fill it with water. Yeah, and then we get the bucket, fill that with water. And then in a very highly skilled manner, you walk over here and fill up the baby bull calf's tank here. All right, here we go. Yeah, it works like a charm, let me tell you. Okay. And kind of try to break up the ice. Usually this isn't so goddamn terrible. What's up, Sugar Daddy? This is my baby bull prospect, Sugar Daddy. He's going on 7.5 months old, and we're gonna try to find him a home. I don't know, I'm not legit enough to own a bull yet. In fact, I wouldn't know what the f to do with a bull other than admire him. So he's looking for grain. Have been giving him grain. He's very handsome. Yep. So it's my state-of-the-art building here. Yep. Nothing but the finest. Ugh. All right. Come on, little guy. Let's get some breakfast. You want some breakfast? Come on. What's up, snipers? Sniper, yeah, he got his name from a little tricky pool when he was little. Little motherfucker hung out for like a day, just hanging out in the whoa, just hanging out in the ditches. Put a big old scare on me. Come on. So he wasn't gonna get a name, but because he hung out in the bushes for a day and a half, scared the crap out of me. Thought somebody had stolen him. We decided to call him Sniper, and he's quite handsome. He's a Red Angus Hereford cross, obviously, and I don't really know what his role here on the Gentlewood Ranch is, other than just kind of eating, taking care of the ladies. Yeah, I don't think we're gonna eat him at this point. He's too handsome, and frankly I kind of like him. This is little Diablo. He's our little kitten, and he's pretty spoiled.